and I really enjoyed it. Right now, I driving every single day. Okay, before coming to more the presentation, I have a little disclaimer. This presentation is not financial advice, enticement, or guarantee of results. Results in the BG investment project are based on your efforts, determination, and focus, and following in the instruction and guidance of Professor Stephen Beer with the trading signals. BG is a Web3 trading project on the exchange, and that requires crypto to participate. Today's presentation is not investment advice and an offer or solicitation for a purchase or sale of investment. Past performance does not indicate of future results. So the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and involves high amount of risk. So in which you may lose some or all of your invested funds. So I would suggest you should only invest the amount that you can afford to lose. Okay. Now, come to BG. Is anyone in here, can you copy and paste? If you can copy and paste, and this is for you. So even the 91 years old lady in my team, she can do it. So there's no reason for you cannot do it, okay? Now come to BG where Sharon, you will know how to double your money in less than 60 days. And how to earn up to 1.8% daily return. Okay, sorry, that is okay. Now we have the recorded, so you don't have to record. So we'll post it on the bond chat later on. Okay. Now let me go back. So please, everybody, I try my best. Everything we do here is we volunteer, because I know that it's very important. Once a week, I have once a week doing my English Zoom. So I try my best. So hopefully that all of you listen and sit on the screen. Okay. Now come to BG where Sharon, you will know how to double your money in less than 60 days, how to earn up to 1.8% daily return, how to receive monthly dividend income up to $1.0 million, how to receive rewards up to $2 million. The good thing about BG, when you join BG Well Sharing, there is no membership fee, no monthly fee or yearly fee, no trading experience needed, no degree or license required. You don't have to take any continued education. No product selling. That's something I really don't like to do. But with BG, you don't have to sell any products. No auto shipping, no pressure. That's one thing I like. Most of the company out there, most of the network out there, you have to really sell products. You have to make money, that your downline have to make money before you can make money. But with BG, you don't have to. You don't need to have a downline, but you still make money. Okay. You are your own boss. You don't have to dress up. This is a very easy, simple system. You can work anywhere. The only thing that you need to have is your cell phone, or if you don't have a cell phone, you can use your laptop or desktop. Now, if you are willing to learn, I guarantee BG is the place for you. Then you can invest in the small amount of money, but you can become financial freedom. Okay, I don't want to say the word millionaire, but a lot of people in here already became a millionaire. Okay, you can, for the minimum investment, you can put in $300, but I recommend it at $500 if you can afford. There's a reason for that.
Excuse me, Cynthia. The Muhammad speaking here. Before you start the program, I have one question to you. Can you clarify with that? You said that there's a lot of people become a millionaire in this platform, and they got also, you also recommend about yourself. But only may have one question to you. Is it this?
Sir,
Why are you interrupting, dude?
Can you wait for your question at the end of the presentation, please? Okay.
Oh yeah. Okay, that's okay. No problem.
Thank you. Thank you. All right. Yeah, I will open my Zoom at the end. Okay, you can ask questions. Okay, and whatever I say here is true. It's true. It's not. I'm not making up. Okay, and you will see it later on. Now about BG. BG Well Sharing. I'm sorry, just keep popping. Um, um, cover my cover. Okay, BG Well Sharing started in 2020. Established in 2018. BG signed 10-year contracts with the DHA change. It's already 3 years, so we are entering into fourth year. BG officially filed tax ID in the state of Colorado in April 2025. Now, BG has over 600,000 members already. DHA Change operates over 120 countries. So, which is good. The more country that they have, the more opportunity that we can bring more friends everywhere to BG. Now, BG vision for 2026. Everyone achieve level 7 or higher, you will become, shareholder. To receive the benefits, you have to be selected. Okay. Now, BG plan to have 1 million members globally for this year. And also our CEO, he put in about $60 million to open the 300 financial centers in the United States. That's really good news. That's a really good news. To my understanding, that 200 centers already approved. So the good thing is, with the physical office, it help the investor believe in BT more. Okay. So that's I really love when he willing to invest $60 million to do this. Now talk about who is the CEO of BG Well Sharing, the Stephen Beard, this man right here. So the Stephen Beard filed BG in 2018. Then I repeated again, and he signed a 10-year contract with the exchange. And Dr. Beard, he graduated with the master degree and PhD degree in finance from the Oxford Brookes University in UK. So he has over 20 years experience in crypto. So I really respect him because he has a lot of money. He's a multi-millionaire. But why he doing this? I think that his passion and he like for people, have a financial freedom. So with some people find with the main sometimes they don't really care about other people. But if you join in BG, you can see that every single one in here makes money and they change their life. That's included me. Okay. Now talk about BG Well Sharing and DHA change. So I put in here right here that you can see the BG Well Sharing, the powerful long-term wealth building strategy, grow their profits by building a strong connected team. The share economy bring together investors from around the world. The goal, earn higher, more stable returns. BG has a system, experience, and the vision to create a thriving ecosystem where everyone benefits. Now, DHA Chain, the global platform serving millions of users, delivers some of the fastest, most comprehensive spots transaction in the industry. They have a really, really, really good AI software that do the trading. The win rate is 99.6%. By February 26, 2023, the exchange had already secured among the world top 100 exchanges. Innovative instant contract investment model has not only won the trust of traders worldwide. DHA is setting new standards in the digital asset space and is now preparing for its making the next step in its remarkable journey. So they combine together with the knowledge of Dr. Beard, create a network, and then with the excellent AI software from DHA chain and make the world, the difference for the world. Okay. Now, last year, 2025, BG performance, after all the expenses, BG Well Sharing earned $104 million. The last November, December, Dr. B spent about $26,000 for the promotion. So right now, the promotion we just finished. So I really don't know how much that he spent. I believe there's a lot more, maybe a lot more than this amount. Now, when you join BG Wealth Sharing Group, the one thing I like about BG, because when you come to join BG, you don't have to put the money every month. You only invest once in the exchange and benefit for life, just like me. I put in here only $1,000, but I have already withdrew $400,000. Why? It's not because of that $1,000, because I work hard. I share the opportunity to people. I build a team. So I will share with you the powerful building team. That's how we can make more money. Now, when you join BG, there are 5 income opportunities at BG that I can count it. Okay. The first income that you receive 2 fixed trading signals daily with the 99.6% winning rate. Now, this is a compounding interest, so you can earn about 1.3% daily return. The income number 2, when you share the opportunity, you bring people in, you receive the bonus signals and referral rewards. So basically, the more bonus you have, the more money you make. The income number 3, you receive the team building rewards from $100 to $2 million. So the next few pages, I could show you how. Okay. The income number 4, when you achieve from level 1 to level 5, your monthly dividend minimum you can earn between $90 to $1 million. And then the income number 5, every day you receive only 2 signals, but the company allows for you to receive the 3rd permanent signal with the condition. You have to qualify for that. So if you have 3 signals a day, you earn up to 1.8% daily return. That's a lot of money. Now for the dividends, for the monthly dividends are distributed on the 19th, and the 29th every month. Okay, so just like the payday, I really enjoyed it on the 9th, the 19th, and 29th. Expecting that I receive my income. That's that income, not including your trading, daily trading. Okay. Now, when you come to BG, whatever amount that you invested, the company only take out 1% of your investment to be traded. Okay. Now, when you trade $100, you earn at least $60 to $65 profit. The DHA exchange maintain a spread of $35 to $40. Okay. Now there is every time when you withdraw, okay, you make money, you have to withdraw my money. That's what I liked about it. Some company that you want me to withdraw, but with BG, you have no problem withdraw the money, okay? But there is a 12% withdrawal fee for every transaction on the amount that you withdraw. Now there will be a 20% charge for early withdrawal if before you double your initial investment. For example, if you put in 1,000, you have to double it, which is 2,000. After you double you at 2,000, you withdraw, you don't have to pay the 20% penalty. You only pay 12% withdrawal fee. Now, that doesn't mean that you cannot withdraw. You can withdraw your money. This is your money. You can withdraw your money at any time. But if it's not doubled, you have to pay the 20% penalty. Just like you go to the bank, you open CDs. CDs, they have 6 months, 12 months, 2 years, 5 years. So if you withdraw early, the bank charge you the penalty, just like that. Okay. Now, talking about compliance and fund safety. I work for Chase Bank. I work for Bank of America. I've been trained, legal documents that for something for investment. When I joined BG from the beginning, the DHA did not have the SEC license at that time, but because of my little investment, only I put 500 for the beginning. A few days later, I put another 500. So my total investment only 1,000. But because of the 1,000, to me that's the amount that I can afford to lose. At that time, even though that the DHA did not have the SEC license yet, but I believe in the system and I tried it. So if people in here, especially you are new, if you for example, when your friends say I would like to share this opportunity to you, and you ask questions like, what is the name of the company? If your friends say BG, guess what? A lot of people go on Google, YouTube, or ChatGPT, search for BG, And guess what? You will see a lot of negative information in there. I would strongly recommend everybody, please do not go on Google, YouTube, or ChatGPT looking for information of BG or DHA exchange, because that is not a right location for you to search. If you don't search the right location, guess what? You will lose the opportunity to become a financial independence. So go into this website. This is a government website. You type in, DHA exchange, or you type in the CIK number of DHA exchange. In here, you will see everything. They're not hiding. Okay. So you can take a picture of this one, and you can, do your own research. Now, right here, the safety of funds and profits guarantee. I really like this word guarantee. Now, out there, if you do any investment, do you hear the word guarantee from other institution? I don't think I can hear that. In BG, they guarantee you on the signals. Okay. Now every day you got 2 signals a day. Now if even though they give you the 9.6% winning rate, but for 0.4% still fail, you still lose, right? But a good thing about BG, if the signal failed, they give you another signal to cover for the signal that you lost. So even though that the 99.6% from DHA change given to you, from the AI software they give it to you, but with BG they give you 100%, but you have to follow their instruction. Okay. um, I've been trading for 3 years. If I win one day, if I win 75% or 80%, I'm happy, very happy. But with the AI that we have in here, 99.6%, guys. So the chance that you almost like not losing at all. Okay. For trading signals. That's what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to go through the certificates and licenses in here. I'm not going through every single reading everything here for you, but later on, if you want to know more details, you can ask your whoever refer you to this. They can send you the information to you, okay, so that we can move on to something more important. So I can make it fast here. You can see the certificate. When the BG Well Sharing filed their tax ID in the state of Colorado, and Well Sharing, BG Well Sharing, when they filed their corporation, our CEO showed that he has $70 million. And now this is the one that I really like everybody pay attention to this, the SEC license. So this one, I like to read it to you. Okay. Now DHA Chains holds registration and business certificates in more than 30 countries and regions around the world. They have the following: the Australian Securities and Investment Commission registration, the Monetary Authority of Singapore registration, Dubai Financial Services Authority registration, the Bahamas Central Bank registration, the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission registration, the Financial Crime Enforcement Network, which FinCEN registration. So to me, this information is good enough for me to have a confidence to believe that at least the company is legit. You don't. For me, okay, I don't feel any fear, any worry, because whatever they need to have, they already have it. Okay. So, but of course, you have to do your own due diligence so that you feel more comfortable. You have to be comfortable for you to invest in something. Okay. I'm here to deliver the message that whatever we have here. Now, the BG that has the registered investor advisor commission. So we are one of them too. Okay, the good thing that we can advise people among the finance within the BG. So we are very transparency. So whatever the good thing about Dr. Beer, whatever he promised, he delivered. So I've been here almost a year. So pretty much everything that he said he told us, he already delivered. So that's very important to me. I'm in finance before. I used to, my background engineer, so I am very skeptical a lot of things. But even though that I did not invest a lot, but it's very important to me when I put the money in here and the trust in here, and my family members or friends, they trusted me when I shared this opportunity. So I have to make sure at least this is legit company. Now this is the 10 years contract with the BG and the DH exchange. Now, the BG Well Shared Fund team is a long-term investment where all members who join the team can increase their profit by the team. Like I mentioned to you, my $1,000, there is no way that I can withdraw $400,000 because I build team. So if you are someone that really want to share the opportunity, and I believe that you will, because if you're making money, there is no reason for you don't share with your friends and family members. Even though I do have friends, when I share with them, and they say, Cynthia, if I don't share with friends, can I still join? You can join, but I can guarantee you, you will share with your friends without me telling you. Okay. Okay, now I have a little things in here. I'd like everybody to look at it. Okay, a lot of people asking question: Why? How? How did BG makes money? How did DHA makes money? Why they make a lot of money? Okay, very simple, guys. This is crypto trading. Okay, now this is tripartite win-win-win structure. So these are three parties here. Who are they? So number one, I put number one here is investors, investor like me and all of you. Number two is the BG well sharing. Number three is the DHA exchange. Okay. Now, when we are investor, we join BG, so we sign up directly with the DHA exchange. So you put your money investment into the DHA exchange for trading. So the benefits that we have, we get the 99.6% winning rate from the AI software provided by DHA exchange. Now, the money that you put in the DHA, if you put $1,000, the only 1% take out to be traded. So with that 10, which is 1,000, 1%, which is $10. So $10 minimum that you earn from the DHA is 60% the minimum. The maximum is 65%. So whatever that you put in here, you are sharing, you are splitting 60, 40, 65, 35 with the DHA exchange. Okay. Now, DHA make, they are sharing 30% to BG. Okay. So that's the reason why BG, they need more people. They need the bigger network. The more people join, the more money the DHA make, then the more money BG makes. Very simple, right? They are not, the BG never take the money from downline to give to the upline. Okay, everything is from your investment trading, and we are splitting with the DHA exchange. Now, we have 5 major advantages of the wealth sharing fund team. Now, I said it earlier, but I read it again because I want everybody to make sure you understand and you know what they are. So the advantage number 1 is a long-term stable income. Why we call the long-term stable income? What are they? They are your two fixed signals a day. That is your stable income. The two fixed signals are the word unit AI trading data combined with a signal winning rate calculation as high as 99.6% or more. The advantage number 2, the DHA exchange holds licenses and business licenses in more than 30 countries, which is already read it to you earlier. Advantage number 3, guaranteed fund protection. BG Fund Company was established in 2024 with an initial capital of 30 million pounds, that's equivalent to 40 million US dollars, to ensuring the safety of all members' funds. All details for BG Fund Company and Professor Stephen Beard's credentials are officially available. So basically, that your money, you put the money in your DHA account. If someone hacked into your account and you lose that money, the company will reimburse that if it's truly you got hacked from the hackers. Okay. And if you lose your signal fail, the company will cover the loss for you. Now, the advantage number 4 is long-term project partnership. We have signed a 10-year contract with DHA Exchange. So when we have about 6.5 years, more. So to my understanding, that maybe the next 5 years, the professor will resign the new contract with DHA Exchange. Now, the major number 5, the future income will be more diversified. In addition to profiting from signal tradings, you can also form a team. Like I'm talking about, like, you build team, you make more money. Now, let's talk about money, endorsement rewards. So when the new member sign in with $500, the referral will receive $20 bonus, and the new member receive $25, which is 5%. Okay. Now, everybody receive 2 signals a day. But if you bring in $500, both referrers and the new members, will receive additional bonus signals. Okay. If the new member bring in $1,000 or more, the referrer will receive 10%. So for example, right here, 1,000, they receive $100, and the new member will receive 5%, which is $50. And the newcomer still get the bonus signals, but the referrer get 12 bonus signals. Okay. Now, if you bring the second person with $1,000 or more, the referrer gets 16 bonus signals. So basically, the more signals you have, the more money you make. Okay. Now, earlier I mentioned to you that BG never took the money from downline to give to the upline. I'd like to prove it to you right here. Now, if you are the new member, you bring in $1,000, the company gives you $50 reward. So in your trading account, you will have $1,050 in your trading account. And the referrer will get 10%, which is $100. This $100 directly paid by BG. BG never took $100 away from your 1,000. If they do that, in your trading account, it's only $950. Okay, so you still have $1,050 in your account. So that's one thing I should prove it to you. BG never took the money from the downline to give it upline. Now, this is the team building, and I'd like everybody to pay attention here for me, please. Let me go back. Okay, here you go. Oh, let me make it bigger. Okay. Okay, talk about numbers. I'm a number person. I love numbers, and I love money. Okay, I'm pretty sure everybody in here that loves that too, right? Okay, now pay attention for me, please. I'd like for you, after the end of my Zoom, you'll be able to understand how to build your team, how to make your monthly dividend, how to earn your reward after every time that you level up. Okay. Now, to become a level 1, you need to sign in 5 people direct under you. When you become level 1, you will receive the $100 reward from BG, and you will receive $90 monthly, but it's divided by 3 times because we get paid on the 9th, the 19th, and the 29th. So $90 divided by 3, so each time is $30 minimum. To become level 2, you need to have 2 of your direct become level 1, and your team has to have at least 25 people. You will receive the $300 reward one time, and every month you will receive $450. The 3 each time is $150. To become level 3, you need to have 3 of your direct become level 1. Your team has to have at least 125 members. You receive $800 reward. Every month you receive $1,500 divided each time is $500. To become level 4, you need to have 4 of your direct become level 1, 500 members in your team. You will receive $2,000 reward. And every month you receive $3,600 divided by 3. Each time is $1,200. Become level 5, you need 5 of your direct become level 1, 1,000 members in your team. You will receive one-time bonus. It's $5,000. Every month you receive $7,200 divided by 3. Each time is $2,400. become level 6, you need to have 6 of your direct become level 1 and 2,000 members in your. You will get the one-time reward at $12,000. Every month you will receive $15,000 divided by 3. Each time $5,000. To become level 7, you need to have 7 of your direct become level 1 and 5,000 members in your team. You will receive one-time reward at $25,000, and every month you will receive minimum of $30,000 divided by 3. Each time is $10,000. Now I am at level 7 right now. My team member right now, I have over 65,000 members. So right here you got the bonus percentage. So 4% of the total members in the trading account. So whichever higher. So like a few days ago on the 19th, I received 12,200 something. So whichever higher, depends on 4%. Now anybody in this Zoom tonight, if you achieve level 7 for this year, you will get the car between $50,000 to $300,000, any car you like. Okay. Now, this November last year, company has the annual meeting last year in Las Vegas. Level 7 was the highest rank, but at that time the company extended for 5 more levels. From the beginning, I told my direct downline as we're already here. I'm so happy. $30,000 a year. A month. That is more than I don't spend that much. So to me, that's plenty of money. But look at the extension, the level that company expanded more. Why? You can see this. The level 8, you get the reward 100,000. Every month you get 60,000. You can see up to level 12, you receive $2 million reward and $1 million monthly, which means the BG has to make a lot of money in order to pay this much money. Don't you agree with me? So when I see this, naturally I have to work harder because I already achieved level 7. In here, everybody, we have in the United States, we have 3 people already level 9. Okay. So the level 8, you need to have 3 direct become level 7, 20,000 members in your team. You will get one-time reward at $100,000, $60,000 monthly. Level 9, you need to have 4 of your direct become level 7, 50,000 members in your team. One-time reward is $200,000. Monthly is $100,000. Level 10, 3 of your direct become level 8, 100,000 members in your team. One-time reward at $500,000. Every month you will receive $300,000. Level 11, 4 of your direct become level 8, 200,000 members in your team. $1 million reward one time. $600,000 monthly income. Level 12, 5 of your direct become level 9, 300,000 members in your team. One-time reward at $2 million. Every month you get $1 million. I've been in a lot of network out there. I never seen anywhere that people can receive this dividend, monthly dividend. And you know what? The compensation here, I have to tell you this. If you have been working network out there, this is only one and only one compensation that is doable and achievable. I've been here only less than a year. When I received my level 7 in 5 months and 3 weeks, and I do have people in my downline receive the level 9. It's only like she got the level 9 from level 7, she jumped to level 9. Okay, I think in 10 months or in 10 months. So this is a people game. The more people you bring in, the better chance that you level up. Okay. Now the reason I mentioned this a lot because a lot of people come here. You're not only trading with your trading account. The building team is that's the how I make my money. Okay. Now you can see that from level 1 to level 4, It might take time because when you start, it might take time. But if you look at the level 4, the 500 people, when you reach to level 4, you got 500 people. The level 5, we need 1,000, which is each one of them only bring one, that you can double your people. And look at the level 5 to level 6, the same thing. 1,000 to 2,000, I mean, each person bring in only one. But in here, I guarantee you, one person that bring more than one people. Okay, so if you understand the concept, understand how it works, it's not hard for you to share the BG opportunity to people, because everybody in here, everybody in my team, and I know for sure everybody in BG, every single one, does make money. Okay, now, if anyone in here achieve level 12, you will receive a villa worth $3 million fully furnished anywhere you want. So I really like to see that maybe I can see in here like Gary, Gagan, or Linda. Maybe these 3 people that can get this level this year. You never know. Okay, and everyone in here, I believe it. Everyone in here, you can do that too. Okay, as long as you believe in BG, as long as you understand correctly, as long as you're willing to learn, willing to share, I can guarantee you with the BG model, conversation, everybody can do it. Okay, if I can do it, I can guarantee you can do it too. Okay, now the good thing about BG, you get the birthday present from BG on your birthday with the condition you have to be level 1 at that time. And every time when your direct sponsor become level 1, you will receive $50 with the condition you have to be a level 1 before them. Okay. And another good thing about BG, when you are sharing the opportunity, BG opportunity to your friends, to your family members, if you invite them to come to your house or you open the event, the doctor be willing to help you for the expenses. Okay. But of course, you have to follow the company instruction. So instead of for them to advertise, TV, television, sometimes people don't believe them, right? Might cost $1 million for advertise. Instead of doing that, they are using that money for you to invite people, and then you share with them from your experience. So that's how we grow the team a lot faster. That's how I do. Okay. Okay. Now, how to get your third signal? Remember, I mentioned earlier that every day everybody has 2 signals a day, but you can get third signal with the qualification. The condition to become to get the third signal, you here, the manager, 5 people direct under you, and each one of them need to bring 5 people. That means that each one of them has to become level 1. Each account has to bring in $500 minimum at the initial investment. Okay. Now, some countries they put in less than 500. You can put in $300, but $300 only count as a person for your team. But that $300 for that account cannot be counted for your third permanent signal. So I would suggest if you can ask someone join in with 500, so it does help you to get your third permanent signal. Everyone in here, um, you know, try your very best. Try to get your third signal as soon as you can, because when you got third signal, that will bring your the volume of your account up to like 75% per month. Okay, so that's why I grow my account, because I got third permanent signal about 8 months ago. Okay. Now, what if the transaction fails? Remember that when we have the trading accuracy at up to 99.6%, it's very unlikely that a trade will lose, because 0.4% it can be loose too, right? So we do have 5 phases for if the signal fail. So remember that I mentioned to you that whatever amount that you put into DHA to trade, BG only allow 1% to be traded to be used for your trading account. Now, if that signal failed, the company will give you another signal, but they take out 3%. Okay, they take out 3%. For example, if the first one is $5, the next one, this one failed, the second one, they take out three times more. So which is $15. Now, if phase two fail again, they give you the third signal. The third signal will be 3 times of the second one. And if the third one it fails again, they continue with phase four. It takes 3 times at $45, which is $135 right here. And if continue to fail, it go to the phase 5. Now, if phase 5 fail, they have to stop. Okay, the company doesn't want to continue. So the company will reimburse all the money here to you, plus the profit that you're supposed to make. So I've been here for 11 months and a half. I experienced about 3 times the company fail, but every time they give you another signal, guess what? I make more money. I make more money when they give me the extra the bonus that took over for the one that we lost. So with BG again, with the DHA they give you 99.6%, but with BG they give you 100%. Okay. Now, how to trade the signals? Very simple, guys. Very simple. Okay, when you log into your account, the signal start from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern time. So you convert to the time for where you're at. Okay. Now, usually they say 1 p.m. Sometimes the signal come out early, so you have to pay attention to the bond chat. Your bond chat, which is the communication app for the company, posts the signals in there. Now, when you trade, when you turn on, when you log into your account, the number one, you click on the futures at the bottom of your account, and number two, you click on the invited me. And number 3 is right here. It says enter the code. So you go into the bond chat, copy the code provided by Dr. Sibbenbeer, and you paste it in here. You copy in there, you paste it in here.
Excuse me, you're showing the wrong screen. You're not showing the wrong.
Okay. And then after you click confirm, to make sure that your code is in there. So you click on the position order. Number 5 right here, you will see the word pending, and you make sure that you got 1% of whatever amount in your trading account. So for example, if you got 1,000 in there, you make sure that you got $10 after when it's pending, when it's show pending. And then you are pretty much done. So an hour later, you can come back, you can click on your historical order, you can see the results, how much you make for that trade. Okay. Now the bonus for the regular signals twice a day, when the code come out, you got 30 minutes to copy and paste. You have plenty of time. It takes me like copy and paste maybe 20 seconds. Okay. The bonus signal is no code required. It's like a pre-programmed signal. You just log in, on time. The bonus signal only gives you 10 minutes to do it. So you just log in the on time and I don't have the picture here with me. The pretty much the same that you click on futures and invited me, and there's no code needed. So there is the little link at the bottom. You click on it and you get your money. Very, very simple. Okay. Now, let me, so usually whenever the amount that you in DHA, you will earn about 50%. If you put $100, you can make about $250 a month. If you put in 1,000, you earn just about $500 a month. Now, earlier, remember that I mentioned to you the withdrawal fee at 12%. I do have some friends that ask me a question, why BG charge a lot, 12%? Well, to me, it's not about the numbers. It's about the dollar amount that you put in your pocket. Now, some other company that I think that maybe you know better than me, they might charge you 3% or 4%, 5%, but the money put in your pocket might be a lot less than BG. I can prove it to you here. Okay. Now I will use the $1,000 example. If you put in $1,000 a month, you bring back about $500 a month. In you will earn about 1,000. Usually you double your money in 60 days. Okay. Now, if you do not miss any trade, you can double your money in 54 days. Okay. Now let's assume that you don't miss any trades. You double your 1,000 in 2 months. So in 2 months, you withdraw your money. You don't have to pay 20% penalty anymore because you double your money already. But you still have to pay 12% on your 1,000. Now 1,000, 12% of 1,000, which is $120. If you take $1,000 minus 120, you bring home $880 in 2 months. So make it short. 1,000 in 2 months, you put in your pockets $880. And you take that $880 divided by 2. So each month you are making about 440 out of your 1,000, which is 44% per month. Can you get that from the bank? I don't think so. Okay. So I, my home country is in Vietnam. My mom still send the money to my cousins because they are in Vietnam too. Some of them living in a small country, is a small town. And usually my mom, she received her Social Security, I think like about $700 or $800 a month. She always withdraw her money to send it back home to help out my cousins. So when she saw me doing this, she asked me a question and said, honey, can mom doing this? I said, sure. So she put it here for $2,000. Guess what? Every month she received $1,000. So she sent home, after deduct everything, she sent home like about, $800 to Vietnam to my cousin. Her $2,000 still in here, keep earning. So to me, that's a really with the country that is third country, some of the country like Vietnam, India, some other country that is with 1,000. If you earn $500 a month, it's a lot of money for them. Okay. So my presentation, I think is finished right now. So before I open the Zoom to answer your question, and I'd like to invite somebody come on Zoom to share with all of you for their journey. Okay.